welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the protective style challenge I am currently embarking on. Plus, if you know you are interested in haircare tips, routines and many more, make sure to join the family by hitting that lovely subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. And now without further ado, let's get right into this video. So if you have been following me and following my journey and my videos, you find out that I always talk about the use of protective styles as my main secret to hair growth. Protective styles have been a lifesaver to me. Like, without protective styles, I don't know how my hair journey would have been. And with protective styles, I was able to grow my relaxed hair to waist length. I am currently in another protective style right now, and that's what I'm here to talk about. I just installed this protective style. The longest I've actually had a sew in was 3 months. So the purpose of this challenge is to see if I can stretch past that 3 months. Plus, I'm actually trying to grow my hair from waist length to table length, so I feel stretching out my protective styles might help me. I don't really know. That's why I'm in this challenge, and I'll actually be so happy if you guys can also join me in this challenge. I'm going to be posting weekly updates and monthly updates about my protective style challenge, and I'm also going to post a video when I take it down, the takedown process, and I hope you guys follow me in this journey too. But I would not advise you to go on this challenge if you've never gone past a 6 weeks protective style before. But if you have, I'll encourage you to join me in this challenge. If you have not had up to a 6 weeks protective style, you can also join in the challenge, but then you have to take down your protective style earlier than the 3 months mark, because I will not really advise you to go on a 3 months protective style where you've not actually gone on a 6 weeks protective style before. And I would also like to know those of you that are joining me in this challenge. So if you are, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below, and also comment the minimum time you like to leave your protective style in, so we can all support and encourage each other. And I also did a video on how I prepare my hair for a protective style installation, my wash day, the deep conditioning process, the tangling process and everything. So make sure to also check out that video. It might help you to prepare your hair before installing your protective style too, if you are going on this challenge. Even if you are not going on this challenge, it can also help you if you're going to install a protective style anytime you want. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.